Your full forecast is brought to you by Dory and told Jesse Insurance Brokers. Car, home, and business insurance. Let us find you the value you deserve.
Yes, one disturbance after another moving in, and the break in between will be short-lived. And the way we're timing it, it almost looks as if those clearing periods are going to be sort of at night, and then we're right back to the cloud and the showers during the day, even the risk of thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorm watch for Kingston right now, and a warning in Belleville that should be lifted soon. We're going to take a look at Hurricane Fiona too. Not a big issue for us locally, but our friends in Atlantic Canada could get pretty hard with a Category 3 as a result of this hurricane. And we'll talk about that in just a second. 22 in Kingston for high today, and your seasonal average is 19 at 23 in Belleville. A little cooler north. 17 in Brockville, 14 in Smiths Falls, 13 in Ottawa, but much warmer as we look to the south, not impacted yet by the change of the air. 28 in Toronto, 26 in Oshawa, 25 in Peterborough. West-southwest winds moving in at 11 kilometers per hour. Yeah, 94% relative humidity. It is pretty muggy out there along with the shower activity, and it's been like that for a couple days now. You get a little break from it, and then that probability moves back in again. 11 millimeters today, and that was a number taken earlier today, so we'll probably have a more exact number for you tomorrow as a result of today's rain. The clouds trying to thin out. We're trying to get a little bit of a break from the cloud, but it looks like the chance of showers and even a risk of thunderstorms, maybe even severe weather this evening. Hoping to see it wrap up through the overnight. In fact, get a little bit of a break through the wee hours of the morning, and then right back at it again. See, there's the high pressure trying to move in and clear it up for us for your Tuesday, but still getting some wraparound from that low that we brought us the rain today. A bit of troughing in the north. More lows ready to take its place, so you might get a bit of sunshine Wednesday morning, but another one moves right in, and looks like that active weather could persist through most of your Wednesday afternoon and through the evening overnight. We're hoping that sometime late Thursday this low will be finished with us and we'll get a bit of a break. So here we are, some pretty strong showers, periods of rain south of the border, and we're getting a taste of that on the north end of this band. There's the cloud coverage sort of diminishing early Wednesday morning, but then you can see that cloud moves back in come Wednesday afternoon, and again another front pushing through with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Again, it may look like it's going to break up and clear a little, and then we see that probability moving in again. How are things looking for Fiona? It's not going to be a big issue for us. Category 2 right now, but we'll turn to Category 3 by Tuesday afternoon, and then a Category 4 by Wednesday afternoon. 215 kilometer per hour winds. Fairly strong, luckily far enough out into the water, not really going to be an issue for anybody. Then it stays there, Category 4, until about Thursday afternoon. It drops to Category 3, and then it stays Category 3. The cooler waters of the Atlantic really don't have a great impact on it as it stays fairly close to shore. Once it makes landfall in Newfoundland, it'll drop down to Category 1, but it will be an issue for Nova Scotia, Cape Breton, Newfoundland, and Labrador from Friday evening into Saturday evening before it starts to diminish down to a Category 1. It's going to be nasty, strong winds, that surge, shoreline surge, and you're going to get not just the surge, but very heavy rains as well. Your forecast for Belleville, though, looking much better than that. 21 tomorrow, mostly cloudy. You will find it clear overnight, and then that chance of showers returning for Wednesday. Brockville, you're looking at the same, a high 17, 80% chance of showers. Wednesday up to 23, 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms again by the afternoon, and Thursday up to 14 and a 40% chance of showers. Hope to see it clearing by the evening. Smiths Falls looking at a cloudy day tomorrow and a pretty good chance of a shower through the afternoon, but clearing overnight. Wednesday up to 22 and an 80% chance of showers. Thursday a chance of showers in the morning. Hope to see some clearing late in the day. Kingston, your 5-day forecast up to 20 tomorrow. That chance of showers and thunderstorms tonight diminishes to 30% probability tomorrow, and we'll see some clearing overnight. For Wednesday up to 21, and that chance of showers through the morning, hoping to see it clear throughout the midday and then redevelop again by the afternoon. By Thursday, it's a high 16, mostly cloudy, and fall arrives that evening at 9:30. Friday, mainly sunny, much cooler, only 14 for a high, up to 17 Saturday with a mix of sun and cloud. Now your weather wallpaper. This one comes from Julie Brown. No, not CKWS alumnus, Julie Brown, just the same name. Julie Brown from Battersea with this lovely shot Yeah, this is something that people will sorrowfully be saying goodbye to. I think from Labor Day weekend till about Thanksgiving Day weekend. In that span of time, we usually pick a weekend where we, mothball the cottage, clear the water lines, that sort of thing, and say goodbye to this sort of scene. So I thought I'd share that with you. What a beautiful, beautiful scene.
Final images of summer, Bill, and as you were just showing us, cooler air coincides with fall's arrival on Thursday.
Yes, and you want to bet over the next week or so we'll start to see those colors change with those daytime highs peaking in the mid-teens.
Okay. Well, the full forecast, the 7-day forecast, coming up later. Thank you, Bill. Bill, summer weather seems to be waning in the long-range forecast.
Yes, we're going to see some cooler temperatures. As it warms up in the west coast, we start to see temperatures dropping in our region. 20 for a high tomorrow. That chance of showers and thunderstorms tonight diminishes to about 30% probability tomorrow. Still looking at a severe thunderstorm watch for tonight. Tomorrow only up to 20 degrees. 21's your high Wednesday. And that clearing you get overnight Tuesday could last through the morning, some sunshine. But as early as noon, we start to see the cloud building up, and very quickly behind that, the chance of showers and thunderstorms returning. 16 for a high Thursday when fall arrives that evening, and only up to 14 Friday. Single-digit lows the Thursday and Friday night. Saturday a high 16 and a mix of sun and cloud, and for Sunday up to 18. A 40% chance of showers returns by the afternoon, and Monday a 70% chance of rain and a high of about 17 degrees.
Yes, I noticed that temperature is really dropping off there, Bill. Pretty much the day that fall arrives. It's like, here we are.
Yep. Yeah.
And goodbye summer. But you know what? You never know what could be coming in October as well. We'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston. Your full forecast is brought to you by Dory and Toll Jesse Insurance Brokers. Car, home, and business insurance. Let us find you the value you deserve.
And the low that brought us those showers and thunderstorms to the region, too. We had severe thunderstorm watches and warnings for the Belleville-Kingston area. That's moving out now, and high pressure trying to clear it up a little bit. But I think the thinnest that cloud will be is through the overnight and early in the morning. You might get a sunny period if you're lucky in the morning, but then the cloud starts to increase again by the afternoon on Tuesday. You're going to see that chance of showers, and then on Wednesday you're going to see the same things, that partial clearing, and then Wednesday afternoon the probability of showers and the risk of thunderstorms moving back in again, one low after another with just barely a break in between. By Thursday, though, we'll start to see some clearing in the morning and hoping for better conditions over Friday and Saturday. Can't promise a nice Sunday. You might actually see a repeat this coming weekend of what we saw this weekend, where Saturday was quite nice and then Sunday things got a little dreary and wet. So yeah, 21 Tuesday in Belleville, Wednesday up to 22. Then it cools off as we see some clearing on Thursday. Brockville up to 17 tomorrow. There's a good 80% chance of showers, some clearing through the wee hours of the morning, and then increasing early morning. 80% probability of showers and thunderstorms Thursday, only up to 14, a 40% chance of showers, hoping for some clearing by the evening. Smiths Falls a 16 for tomorrow, and that chance of showers continues through the day, but clearing overnight. Wednesday up to 22, and an 80% chance of showers. And for Thursday, we hope to see a mix of sun and cloud by noon, that 40% chance of showers in the morning. Kingston, your long-range forecast up to 20 tomorrow. That chance of showers redeveloping again. We'll see some evening clearing tomorrow night, and then sunshine to start your Wednesday, but the cloud increases, the chance of showers and thunderstorms moving back in. For Thursday, the first of fall, a high of 16, a little cool, mostly cloudy and nice over Friday and Saturday, but the chance of showers returns Sunday and Monday.